Hi, I can't believe it's 2023 and we are back with our parent video series on how you can help your camper have the best summer ever. Today, I'm throwing it to a very special guest. Take it away!
Hi, my name is Renee Pierson. I am one of the camp directors at Camp Bette Perot, and we're going to talk about check-in today. Check-in will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes. We do ask that you give about an hour. Make sure that your camper eats lunch before you arrive for check-in, and you might want to even have some snacks and, of course, their water bottle with them. You will arrive at check-in. Your family will stay in the car throughout the check-in process, and your check-in will begin here at the Health Lodge. You'll come in through the Circle Drive, and our staff will greet you, and there will be steps along the way for the different stations and steps that we'll need to do for check-in. Some of the stations that you'll do will be the health check, which will be a temperature check, a head check, and then you'll need to talk to the nurse for any medications or medical things that your camper may need. And then you'll also drop off your camper release form. Those are some of the stations. After you finish the stations at the Health Lodge, you'll be directed to follow the camp road. You'll see some of our Tejas riders on horseback waving and directing you down to the sports field. Once you get down to the sports field, that's where your camper will exit the vehicle, meet her counselors and some of her campmates, and she will get her luggage and go off with her unit. After your camper gets out of the vehicle, that's where you will have the opportunity to drop off mail. We do ask that mail is just letter size. We don't ask that you send any kind of food or anything like that in the mail, but you can send some letters for the week and you'll drop those off at the very last stop before you leave camp. For your camper to get something each day, you'll want to make sure that you write the days of the week on the envelopes. We don't deliver mail on the first day, so you'll want to make sure to label them starting with Monday, and we generally don't deliver mail on Friday because that's the day that you pick your camper up. We do ask that you allow us the time with each camper and their family because each situation is a little bit different, and we want to give each family the time that they need for the check-in process. So we just ask that you pack your patience because we will get to your family and you will get all the time with us that you need as well.
Thank you, Renee. She is one of the friendly faces you will see out at Camp Bette Perot for Sleepaway Camp this summer, and I have a couple of extra notes to make the check-in process smoother. First of all, make sure all medications, even over-the-counter ones, are sealed in a bag and ready for that station of the pickup line. Also, complete your camper release and pickup form prior to arrival at camp. You'll receive these forms via email before your scheduled week. People often ask if it's okay to arrive a little late on Sunday or leave a little early on a Friday, and we wanted to share with you that it's not ideal, and here's why. If a camper arrives late to camp, they miss group introductions, they miss their unit meeting. A unit is a group of cabins, and so they miss that, they miss their first visit to the barn and other valuable parts of that first day together bonding. For the best experience for your camper and for the staff caring for your camper, please arrive on time. As for leaving early, our week-long program is carefully planned to foster group belonging, teamwork, independence, and personal growth right up to that very last hour of camp. If a camper leaves early, they miss out on part of that value of camp. Now, if it is essential and a camper must get picked up early, please contact camp as soon as possible so that we can make arrangements that are the least disruptive for you, your camper, and for the other campers in the group.